Buildertrend upload failures are usually caused by file size limits, internet connection problems, browser issues, or temporary problems that stop files from reaching your project correctly. By the end, you'll know how to fix Buildertrend when photos, documents, or other files fail to upload. Start by checking your internet connection. Uploading files requires a stable connection, especially when sending larger photos, plans, or documents. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the connection is causing the upload failure. If the upload works on another network, your internet connection may be the problem. Next, check the file you are trying to upload. Make sure the file format is supported and that the file is not damaged. Try uploading a different file to see whether the problem affects one file or all uploads. If only one file fails, the issue may be with that specific file. If you are uploading through a web browser, refresh the page and try again. Browser sessions can sometimes stop working correctly after staying open for a long time. Clear your browser cache and cookies if uploads continue failing. Stored browser data can interfere with website features like file uploads. Try using a different browser to test whether the issue is browser-related. If the upload works in another browser, the original browser settings may be causing the problem. If you are using the Buildertrend mobile app, check for available updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. An outdated app version can cause problems with uploading files. Restart your phone or tablet after updating the app. This refreshes the device and can clear temporary issues affecting uploads. Check that you have the correct permissions for the project. Buildertrend uploads may fail if your account does not have access to add files or documents in that area. If the upload fails repeatedly, note the exact file type, device, browser, and error message. These details help identify whether the problem is related to your account, device, or the platform. Contact Buildertrend support if the problem continues after trying these steps. Include screenshots of the error, the project you are uploading to, and the steps that caused the failure. Avoid uploading the same failed file repeatedly without testing another file first. This helps determine whether the issue is the file or the upload system. The main fixes are checking your connection, testing the file, clearing browser data, updating the app, and confirming your project permissions. To recap, Buildertrend upload problems usually come from connection issues, browser problems, file issues, or account access settings. Your next step is to test a different file and refresh your upload setup before contacting support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other construction software troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.